This is my packing list for my 3-month-long trip across London, a little bit of Europe, Japan, and then Southeast Asia. And I'm running into the issue of it's going to be kind of cold in London and Europe, and then it's going to be really hot in Southeast Asia. So I'm packing a bit more heavier clothes than I normally would, but I think I might just have to ship some stuff home. So yeah, here we go. There's a lot of stuff. This is the 45-liter backpack I have here. Love it because it opens like a suitcase, or has like the full open right here. You know how it be. I'm gonna fit all this stuff around me into this bag. Let's get to it. Low-key, I should have a much bigger bag for this 3-month trip. If I was just doing Asia or like Southeast Asia, this would be a lot easier because I wouldn't have to pack thick hoodies and sweatshirts and jackets like this, but it is what it is. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, starting with the tops. So I'm bringing one brown hoodie that is thick and warm. This one is going to be packed into the packing cube because I'm wearing another hoodie on the plane with me. I'll be wearing this hoodie on the plane along with another Carhartt jacket that's upstairs and I don't have right now. But these two hoodies, it's already not fitting. Hoodie is really thick. It's gonna keep me warm. That's the goal, that's the hope. These are the Trippy something packing cubes. Got it for Christmas. Shout out Santa. Because my other one's broke. Stuff that in there. One gray t-shirt, roll the shirts up, just like that, nice and easy. One cream colored t-shirt, right here, cream, roll that up. And then one plain white tee, just like an undershirt, something lightweight. Might honestly throw it away if I don't end up wearing it, because I already have the cream one. One black long sleeve Uniqlo shirt, roll that up, stuff it in there. Oh God, all right, tight fit already. Then one gray, white Lululemon long sleeve t-shirt. Just lightweight, nice little travel day shirt. This I'll be wearing on the plane as well as the hoodie. All right, and that should be everything in there. So I'm only bringing like 5 shirts in total. I'm trying to pack a bit lighter, so I have the option to buy stuff. Oh God, come on, you can do it. Come on, let's go. Stop getting. All right, and that is the tops. Nice and compact. Backpack, chuck it in, don't look at that for a minute. Next up, pants. Here we go. So I'm bringing 3 pairs of pants with me. One pair of Uniqlo wide black sweatpants. There's comfy airport pants and travel pants that I'm gonna be wearing, so I'm not gonna pack that up. One pair of black jeans carpenter pants. And then one pair of kind of these pleated gray pants that are a bit wide. I just got them from Abercrombie a couple days ago, but we'll see if I like them. Last time I didn't have a pair of nicer pants, and I think it'd be nice. I'm spending New Year's Eve in London, so I'll probably wear these pants. And worst case scenario, I'll buy more pants. But so only 3 pairs of pants, and it's be cool. I'll be rotating those pants a lot. I'll probably end up buying another pair as needed. And then here we go. I have these 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of shorts. I have these khaki colored chubby swim trunks, but they kind of look like normal shorts. So these are great for when I go to like the beaches and stuff. I just wear these all day. And then I have these black Lululemon shorts that are also swim trunks as well, so I can just wear those all day for whatever I need. Then I have these gray swim trunks that also just look like normal shorts, so I can wear these. None of these have the netting or the liner in them, so I can just wear them however. Then a gray pair of Lululemon shorts, and then a pair of navy blue Lululemon shorts. So a lot of shorts, because I think when I get to Thailand, in Vietnam and Southeast Asia, it's gonna be really hot, and I'm gonna want more shorts than I am pants. The first part of my trip, the London and Europe part, it's only gonna be, in Japan's only be like 3 to 4 weeks. So that, I shouldn't need as much stuff, and my plan is to just ship my jeans and longer clothes home, because I really do like these clothes, but I'm just not gonna use them when I go to Asia. And then we throw it in there, don't look at that for a second. Next up, we have, oh my God, this great Packable rain jacket from Nike. Nice little rain jacket we got here. God, I hope all this stuff fits in this bag. Nice little rain jacket. I didn't bring a rain jacket last time, and I got rained on, and my sweatshirt was wet for about 2 days after that. Come on, cool, got that. Following that, Packable day pack from Matador. Oh God, why is it stuck? But yeah, Packable backpack. Just for daily adventures and day trips, which is nice. Packs up nice and easy, just like the rain jacket. Jesus Christ, what do I look like? Zips up pretty small, pretty compressed. And then I'm gonna throw these two in a small packing cube right here, just so they're not floating around in my bag, because there's not a lot of space in there. And then also I'm gonna throw in, what am I throwing in this bag? Oh, next up is the drone. I also throw the drone inside this bag. Like, throw the drone inside this bag, first of all. Drone goes in here, nice and tight and zipped up, nice and safe in there. You know, throw these two inside here. It's nice and cushioned in there. Let me show you, pack that up. It's be really funny when I go and pack this backpack and it's just not gonna fit everything, and it's gonna really piss me off. So that's what the bag already looks like, basically. It's already pretty freaking full, but you know. Oh my gosh, still haven't packed my underwear and stuff. Okay, next up is underwear and socks and some undershirts. So I'm bringing, I had another pair. 4 pairs of socks. These socks are merino wool, and I've heard that they can be worn a couple times without smelling as bad, so we're gonna take their word for it. And I'm bringing 8 pairs of underwear. They are all different colors, so I know which ones will be dirty and which ones not. Oh God, come on. It's probably overkill on the underwear, but I'd rather have more than less, you know? Then 2 tank top undershirts. And this all goes into this one packing cube. Ta-da! Bam. Right there. Drone controller. I think I'm gonna throw this in this underwear thing as well. Or it might just be floating around, honestly, but I can maybe fit into this. I can fit into this one. Yeah, put this in the backpack and rain jacket pocket. We're gonna make this work. Come on. Ta-da! Bam. Bam. It's already looking pretty full in there. It's gonna fit though, promise. Trust. Here we have my Toiletries razor, extra razor heads, face lotion, body wash and shampoo, face wash, shaving cream, 2 tubes of toothpaste. I'm not gonna bring that much toothpaste because toothpaste is easy. Toothpaste is easy to buy, so I don't have that much of it. I'll just rebuy when I need. And then my toothbrush. All of that goes inside here. This all goes in here. Bam, bam. Set that up. Ta-da! Also, just got these Tevas for my birthday and Christmas. My birthday's only 3 days before Christmas, so I got these for my birthday. Which, last time I brought my Boston Birks with me to Europe, and those made my feet blister so bad. So I'm switching for these. They're a bit more practical. And then I have my dirty New Balance shoes that will be my 1 pair of shoes I'm bringing. Ta-da! I'll wear those with me most times. All right, I have this nice microfiber towel, and this will be my bath towel when places don't have them. Infinity film camera, portable charger, my Kindle right here for my travel days and days I just want to read. Belt for the pants. Big camera with my Sony a7 IV with the 14-24 lens and this Mantis Pod Pro tripod. I'm debating on bringing this lens as well. This is my 24-70, but it's pretty hefty. It's like pretty heavy. And I think I'll want the wider lens for vlog purposes. This was really nice on my last trip. This is the one I brought with me last time. It's just heavy and I only really want 1 lens, I think. And then AirPods are a necessity. DJI mic, jewelry. Can you see this? This is crazy. Journal. Oh God, this is gonna be fun. Laptop and 2 SSDs. Jesus. Laptop charger. Pill carrying case right here. Charging adapter. Bracelets. Cash. This is my cash pouch right here. And then I think my tech pouch where I'm gonna keep all my tech stuff in here. Oh my God, that's important. Can't lose that. Pen. I think that's everything. So now I'm gonna pack all this stuff up inside the bag. Ouch, that hurt. Okay, here we go. So I think I'm gonna put these like this, right? It looks like it's not gonna fit now, but just wait. It's all gonna fit in here. Okay, we're already looking pretty good. Oh yeah. Then I also have detergent sheets right here to do my laundry whenever I need to. Fuck. Trust. That's easy to just put on the side. Oh, easy. Easy. Damn, this thing's already so packed, and I haven't even started the trip yet. Not gonna lie, journal might stay home. I don't journal that much. I'm really bad about it. Goodbye. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, frick. Passport, wallets, Jesus. Well, these are in my pockets, so, you know. I'm gonna put this with my laptop compartment, so I'm gonna put that there, nice and safe if I'm not carrying it. And these go in my pockets, and we're done. Holy shit. It's cash. And shoes, ta-da. Also, what's nice about this backpack, even though we're kind of boycotting Peak Design, just screw that guy, but I think that covers most of the bulk right there. Nice to get up. That was a lot, wasn't it?